Right, today I have a Worx 36 volts cordless lawnmower, and I got it from a dumpster. Somebody threw this away, and amazingly it's still working. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. Amazingly it's still working, and today I'm gonna disassemble the whole thing and possibly get the motor and the controller so I can use for other projects. Seems like the battery is still good, so I can probably use the battery too. So there are probably 3 12-volt lead acid batteries in here. Alright, time to take it apart. Right, so I got the lid out. There are a couple of screws on the front, 3 screws on the back, and we got the nice 36 volt motor here, and we got the wire from the motor going to the controller, which is this. Used to be a handlebar right here, and the controller I believe is this one. Very small and compact controller. Right, it's time to get the motor out. That's 1 bolt right here, 3 bolts over there, and it should be out. Right, I've got everything out, and let me show you the battery pack. Inside here there are 3 12-volt lead acid batteries. 1, 2, 3, and the third one is swollen on the top, swollen on the side. So I think this battery is short. I measured the voltage of this battery, and amazingly these two still show 12.7, 12.8 volts, which is a full charge. This one here shows less than 11 volts. So it's pretty much bad. There's no way to fix this. And let's see. There's a small circuit board underneath the top cover of the battery. And this circuit board is not a controller. This circuit board is for the test. For testing the capacity of the battery. It's a gauge. It's a battery gauge. It's too small to be a controller, and the wire that come from the motor go in here on the top, go down here to the 2 terminal of the battery pack, and it does not go through anything else. Does not go through a board or a controller or anything. So the wire goes straight to the battery pack, and then there's only 1 single button switch. This is a 25 amp 36 volt DC switch. I don't think this is a controller. I think this is just a switch, on-off switch. So when you press on it, it will go, and when you release, it will turn off. But you cannot control the speed of the motor. And let me plug it in and try it. I've got it plugged in, and let's see how it runs. So basically I cannot control the speed of the motor. So when I press, it will go at full speed, and when I release, it will just stop right away. And I cannot go slowly on the switch. It's either on or off. That's pretty much it. So this is not a controller, it's just an on-off switch. And there's no way for me to control the speed of the motor. And that is pretty much it for today. My next project, electric bike or electric scooter or electric go-kart. Which one? We'll see. Or anything that goes. Alright, and that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Right, today I have a Worx 36 volts cordless lawnmower, and I got it from a dumpster. Somebody threw this away, and amazingly it's still working. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. Amazingly it's still working. And today I'm gonna disassemble the whole thing, and